In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team permissions in Basecamp. Setting the right permissions ensures people have access to what they need while keeping your project secure. Let's get started. First, sign into your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to manage permissions. Once inside, click on the People or Share section at the top of the project. Next, you'll see a list of all team members and clients who currently have access. Find the person you want to manage and click their name or the settings next to it. From here, you can adjust their role or access level. For example, you can allow someone to view and comment only or give them full access to edit and manage project content depending on their role in the team. If needed, you can also remove a person from the project by selecting the Remove option. This instantly revokes their access. Once you're done, Basecamp automatically saves your changes and the updated permissions take effect right away. And that's how to manage team permissions in Basecamp. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.